In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Myki card on bus. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Myki card within the boundaries in which the card is accepted is extremely simple. First, all that you have to do is set up the card correctly on the Public Transport Victoria website, and afterwards, using the card is extremely simple. So visit the ptv.vic.gov.au website or look for Public Transport Victoria. In here on their website, like I said, you have all the information widely available for you. The first thing that I recommend that you do is you use the search function on the home screen to look for all of the stations and boundaries in which the card will be accepted. Of course, if you already know this, you can skip this step, and using the card is extremely simple after you register it through the website. I'm only highlighting this because if you are planning your trip ahead of time and you would like to have everything pre-planned, this is the best way to do it. You can browse through all of the stations, all the timelines, and you can plan your journey directly through this page. Anyways, after you are aware of all the places and all the stations in which Myki is going to be accepted, all that you have to do is make sure that it is properly topped up and registered. You can do this on the website by either signing in at the top right corner of the screen or scrolling down from the home screen and finding Topping Up Your Travel. Alternatively, click Tickets and then Myki Online Top Up. This is the page in which you will be able to load your Myki card with balance and make sure that it is registered and ready to use. Once the card is activated with balance, to actually use the card, board any sort of public transit, including a bus, and hold the physical card near the card reader. Usually it is going to be close to any entrance. As soon as you hold the card near the card reader, it should automatically use your balance and you are going to see a green light appear and a beep. Once you see the beep and the green card, look on the visor on the card reader and touch the card off of it. Afterwards, you are free to board. If you encounter any issues while trying to do this, like I said, make sure that you have enough balance, so this is why it's very important that you set up your card correctly beforehand and make sure that it is registered, which is an option that you have once you sign into your account. As long as the card is properly set up with balance, using it is extremely simple. Like I said, place it near the card reader until you hear the beep and the green light. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Myki card in bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.